Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This video is a quick tip on how to use Linux commands on Colab. As you know, Colab is a web-based service provided by Google where you can develop your Python. Since Colab is hosted in Linux servers, we can always go back to the system level and utilize some basic Linux commands. And I think this is a powerful technique where you can, for example, manipulate your files, you can browse, you can list as you are on Linux. So let me show you here. In order to go to the system level, all what you need, you just put the percentage here. So it shows you a list of Linux commands. For example, pwd, it shows you where you are. cd, for example, here let's go drive. I just mounted my Google Drive. Okay, cd to my drive. So I'm just navigating more here. So here, AI. So I exactly as I am on a terminal, Linux terminal, just CDing and going anywhere in my environment. So okay, so let me ls show what's there. Okay, so I have a folder called images. So cd to images. Oh, cd. Oh, sorry, it should be not dollar and percentage. Okay, very good. So let's have this exercise. Suppose we have these files and we want to grab some information from the files names. See here, the file name is it has the prefix, the name, followed by the nationality, followed by age, for example, and all separated by underscore. So what we can do with Linux commands, we can use, for example, ls. This will list all the files names. However, we have nothing to do with the extensions, for example. So what can we do here in this case? We can use a really powerful Linux command called awk. Awk, it has a lot of functions, and one of these functions is splitting. So in this case, we will see that. By the way, this is pipe. This I'm telling that ls, but don't display your output here. Just pipe it to the next one, which is here in this case awk. So here I'm saying awk split. Then take the first argument, which is $0 argument from the previous one, because this is pipe it, so it has the arguments and the first argument is just this is just a list of files names. Save it in a variable called a, then my splitter is dot. So in this will do the following. It will read this, it will take it and split it in two parts. Actually in this case 3 parts, because we have 2 extensions, I don't know why. But anyhow, so it will say, hey, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, okay? Okay, so then, oh, sorry. We go to the second line, we say print a1. I think the index of awk starts with 1, okay? Then you close this one. See here, and this, now we get rid of the extensions, and we have only this, and we can save it to a file by doing this. Let's say files.txt. So we saved all these here in a file. No such file. Oh, sorry, we should say this one. Okay, so it saves the output here. We can just display it by using cat files dot text. Actually, you have a lot of displaying commands like more. I think more will open a new terminal. See here, like less as well. The difference between more and less more it starts with the on the top of the file and less starts from the bottom. But here, because this is short, this is small short file, doesn't show you any difference and just display everything. Okay, but we don't need these because cat, I think cat is better for web displaying because it doesn't open a new tab for you, just display it here. Okay, so you are ready here to import now. Import the pandas, then create data frame by bd read csv then you put the you pass the files here and say df. See here, by this we are ready now, and we display. I think we don't need this one. Oh, okay. We need to separate this and ask pandas to define the delimiter or the splitter, which is here in this case underscore. Okay, now we are ready. Now we have the data frame separated and with 3 columns. So again, I think using Linux commands is really powerful, especially when you prepare your data. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.